What up? Online boss in the house. I'm a boss. You're a boss. We are all online bosses. That is the aim of this channel, guys. To make all your online bosses so you can quit your 9 to 5 and live the dream life like me. Do what I want, when I want, with who I want, and where I want. That is the true meaning of freedom, guys. You can't beat financial freedom. They say money don't buy you happiness. Habibi, come to Dubai. Nah, but seriously, money just kind of like doesn't buy you happiness, guys. It just gives you the freedom to do what you want. And whatever your personality is, it will echo that personality. So if you've got a good personality anyway, money's just gonna bring better abundance, better lifestyle, and more of a great personality. If you're a twat, money's just gonna make you more of a twat. So as you get more money, it gives you the opportunity to work on yourself more as well. So money's great in all different angles. All right then, guys, so we're going to look at the crypto markets today. News update. Let's check what's going on in the crypto market. First, let's check the charts of the King Bitcoin. All right, and so we're trying to get back up to this 20,000 mark. We've got a lot of resistance around here. See, we actually touched off the resistance line, bam, back down, previous support equals next resistance. So look, not looking good, guys. We need to break this support so we can bounce back up and try and go up. But let's be real, guys. You know my stance on Bitcoin. We're in a bear market and we're going to continue to go on this bear trend. This is fine. It's a bear market. You can't outbeat the market. Don't outsmart the market. We're going down. It is what it is. I wouldn't be long in the market now. Short in it, yes, but definitely wouldn't be long in it. Look at the RSI, it's pretty neutral, slightly overbought. But hey, guys, we're here for the long haul. Everybody that's watching this channel, we're here to make them long-term gains. I've made millions out of crypto, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make millions out of crypto, but you have to do it on point. It could take months of watching the news and reading and finding the next narrative and jumping on that, and then flipping some money, flipping it from this to that, to that, to that, to that. But it's best to be in the market, guys. Don't think, when Bitcoin's back at the all-time highs and I jump in. No, you can be buying the top. This is the time to knuckle down, to build. I'm building a course, I'm building my marketing agency, I'm building lots of things, and also building this brand, giving you guys value. So guys, if you're not building, definitely study in the market. Keep on top of it. Keep learning, keep researching, keep understanding. Okay, guys, moving on swiftly. Fear and greed index is gone up slightly, 14. Yesterday was at 11. Average was probably about 8. We're an average at 8 for the last month. An average, I say, from keep looking at it every day. So we're going more towards the greed side, but nowhere near. So we're still on fear. But actually, they say, guys, this is a good time to buy when you're in fear. I'm not buying right now. Dollar cost averaging here and there in Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I reckon when Bitcoin gets to, it's not even when Bitcoin gets to. This is what everyone says. When Bitcoin gets to this, I'm going to stop dollar cost averaging. No, guys. When the macro markets sort it out, then it's time to dollar cost average. When the Fed pivots, goes a bit dovish, goes from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing, when inflation numbers are coming down, this is the time to start dollar cost averaging. Now, there's no reason to dollar cost average. There's no fundamentals. Always trade off fundamentals, buy off fundamentals, guys. There's no fundamentals. There's no catalyst. The only little catalyst we did have was the Grayscale ETF. Bit of news as well. That got rejected. And Grayscale is suing the SEC. Very interesting. See how that gets them. But yeah, we haven't got no bullish catalyst at the moment. So study and build. And let's build this community. All right, then, guys. Another crypto lending platform pauses withdrawals as market crash takes its toll. Yeah, so Monday withdrawals with pause, crypto and deposits on the platform, and exploring potential restructuring options, the company said. There you go, guys. Another company has holded their withdrawals. Just to watch out, guys. As I says, you're not your keys, not your crypto. So keep your funds off exchanges, guys. Okay, another bit of news. Celsius Network pays off. Bit of good news, people. Celsius Network pays off their 50 million Bitcoin loan. So now the liquidation price is at 8,000, which is great. It was a lot higher than that before. So basically, let's just pull it in layman's term. If Bitcoins don't get to 8,000, they're not going to get liquidated, and they won't basically go bankrupt. All right. Celsius Network repays 50 million Bitcoin loan, reducing its liquidation price to 18,839, according to the data from Block. Celsius has paid off 50 million today towards its Bitcoin loan. Bullish news for Celsius. So maybe Celsius might recover, might not go bankrupt. Shame. Shame. Do you know why I say shame? Guys, I'm here. I'm a crypto maxi. I love crypto. But honestly, guys, I secretly want Bitcoin to crash. I want it to go lower. I want to get Bitcoin at $10,000. Why would I want to pay Bitcoin for $20,000, $30,000, $6,000? This is the mentality you guys need to have. And this is the mentality I'm going to teach you guys on this channel from my 9 years of experience. You want to be happy. You want to have a business model, which I've got a business model like that. You want to have a business model, guys, where you are happy. Your business model is part of investing in crypto and also whatever you do outside crypto. You want to be happy when crypto goes down so you can buy more, dollar cost averaging from your side hustle, buy into crypto. And also you want to be happy when it goes up because your portfolio goes up and you're going to take profits on the way up. So if anybody is upset, angry, emotional in the bear market, you have put in the market more than you can afford to lose. That is the first lesson that you need to learn, guys. Never put in as much as you can afford to lose. Crypto is very speculative market, guys. As easy as it can 10x, it can drop down 90%. So always put in what you can afford to lose, and always have a contingency plan, and always get yourself a side hustle. Cash flow is king, and me personally, I'm investing in dollar cost averaging at certain points of the market. All right then, guys. So bullish news. This big whale, he buys 18.8 million Dogecoin from his 40 million XRP. So he sold a lot of his XRP for Dogecoin. So I like reading things like this, guys, because this is a narrative, right? This is big money, smart money, whatever you call it. You ain't going to be having this much millions if you're not smart money. Smart money usually knows things on the inside. So what does it tell you? His opinion and his circle's opinion is XRP is going to go lower, a Dogecoin potentially could bounce. Or at least Dogecoin is going to go up more in value than XRP, okay? A large BNB whale, Martin, whatever, ranked 71st according to whale stats and holds 14 million XRP, has just bought 18 million Dogecoin, valued at 1.2 million. The whale also bought a few other altcoins in separate transactions, among which was the purchase of 11 million Matic worth 11 billion, worth 5 million. So guys, always good to watch the big wallets, see what the smart money is doing, and see what the big money is doing. All right then, guys, I'm here Back here again, giving you this crypto news every single day of your life. Get comfortable. Turn the notification button on. Subscribe to the channel. Comment what you want to see next. Comment your best altcoins. Comment so I can see you guys. Because as I said, this channel is going all the way. We're going to 1 million subscribers. We're going to do collaborations. We're going to bring people in for interviews. We're going to make this channel the best channel on the planet. We're going to give you guys some value. We're going to get you guys in the whitelist. And I want to know who's in this, who's in the channel so early. Guys, I've been in early projects because of my marketing agents like Cryo Wars. 168x I did. When I get into these projects, I want to give you guys the opportunity to get in with me. That's what I do with this channel. Give back to you. All right then, guys. Till the next one. Crypto Boss, Online Boss, Audi.